Arthur, I tried to use Kubernetes last night. I typed one command and it asked me about pods, deployments, services. I just wanted my app to run.
Ah, you met the captain's vocabulary. 3 words. Learn them today, and you can read any Kubernetes tutorial on the internet.
3 words for my 11 containers. Go.
Word 1. Pod. The smallest thing Kubernetes runs. Usually one container, wrapped with a little shared networking, its own address.
Wait, why wrap the box in another box?
Because sometimes 2 containers must travel together. Your app plus a tiny log collector, say. Same pod, same address, same fate.
Same fate?
Pods are mortal, Lucius. They're born, they crash, they get replaced. You never nurse a pod back to health. Cattle, not pets. Remember?
So if pods just die, who keeps my app alive?
Word 2. Deployment. The manager. You tell it, keep 3 copies of this pod running, and it makes that true. Forever.
The wishlist thing from last week.
Exactly. The deployment is the wishlist entry. Pod dies, it starts a new one. You want version 2? It rolls pods over one by one. No downtime.
Hold on, rolling updates. That's how big apps update without going offline?
That's the trick. Old pods drain out, new pods roll in, users never notice.
Okay, but here's my problem. If pods keep dying and respawning with new addresses, who's keeping track? How does traffic find them?
You just invented word 3 by yourself. The service.
I did?
A service is a stable front door with one job. Know which pods are alive right now and spread traffic across them. Pods churn behind it. The door never moves.
So nobody talks to pods directly. They talk to the door?
The door has a fixed address inside the cluster. Pods come and go like shift workers. The storefront stays put.
Quick pause. I went from afraid of one command to explaining rolling updates. If that's your speed too, follow the channel. Tuesdays are Kubernetes Day.
Every Tuesday. Vocabulary compounds.
Okay, assemble it for me. My 11 containers, what does my setup actually look like?
Web app. A deployment keeping 3 web pods alive behind a service. Database. Its own pod and service. Payments. Deployment. 2 pods. Service.
And when the blog feature hits and traffic spikes?
Tell the web deployment 10 pods, please. Or let the autoscaler do it. The service instantly spreads traffic across all 10.
And when a node explodes from last week?
Its pods die. The deployments notice and respawn them on healthy nodes. The services update their lists. Traffic never sees the crater.
Every piece heals every other piece. It's a little ecosystem.
Now you understand Kubernetes. Not commands, the cast of characters.
Where does the YAML come in? Everyone complains about the YAML.
Each of these is a small YAML file. Deployment, 3 replicas, this image. Service, point at those pods. You save them in Git, infrastructure as code, Thursday's whole topic.
My whole app described in a folder of text files.
Which means version control, reviews, and 1 command to recreate everything. Land it, Lucius. 3 words.
Pods, the mortal little boxes my containers ride in, born to die. Deployments, the managers that keep the right number alive and roll out new versions with 0 downtime. Services, the doors that never move, routing traffic to whoever's alive today.
Perfect. Next Tuesday, making pods scale themselves and heal themselves automatically.
My payments box will never be lonely again. See you Tuesday.